Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 Cadillac Escalade ESV Sport Platinum featured in black raven with a red interior. Under the hood sits a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated vented front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, super cruise, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have heated vented front seats, power windows and mirrors, AKG speaker, extra storage. Moving on to the seats, we have speakers in the headrest, and down to the bottom left, you'll find the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left is the optional two-wheel four-wheel drive with adjustable suspension and the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side is our Super Cruise, as you can see along the top, with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. To the right are cluster and audio controls. Here's the cluster. And taking a look at the infotainment screen, starting off with our audio here. It comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM. We can connect the phone using Bluetooth. Of course, there's Alexa and Spotify as well. And here's the navigation. And it's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's our backup camera with surround vision. Just below that we have our climate controls. In the middle here are the infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, storage, 2 USB plugins, and the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins, 12 volts as well. On top here we have the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, on start SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, liftgate controls, as well as the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps, door handles with keyless entry, and a privacy tint on the windows. And here's the side profile. And making our way to the back, of course, we have the monochromatic Cadillac badge, blacked out Escalade, and we can double click to pop it open. We have a ton of storage space back here, as it is the ESV. AKG speakers on the side, power controls to drop the second and third row of seats, making a ton of extra storage space, as well as a 3-prong outlet. And we also have hidden storage down below as well. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, AKG speakers down below with some extra storage. Here are the seats, and we can hop inside. The back of the seat we have magazine holders. In the middle, our rear vents, or our rear climate control, with rear heated seats. Just below that, push out storage. Down at the bottom, 2 HDMI plugins, 2 USB-C plugins, and a 3-prong outlet. We have rear entertainment screens mounted on the back of each seat. And up at the top we have the rear vents, dome light, and speaker matched on the other side. In the third row seating, here are the seats. We get a great view of the power sunroof. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 Cadillac Escalade ESV Sport Platinum. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe